Even sometime if my mobile is not charging, so I just ask ChatGPT why the mobile is not charging. So welcome back to the mentor, and this video I will be sharing with you one of the tool which I use a lot. It's been a few months and it helped me a lot in my career, to be honest. So I just want to share with you also, so that you can also know exactly how this tool can help you and make it easy your journey whenever you're doing work with any client. It doesn't matter if you're working as a data entry operator, if you're working as a digital marketer, if you're working with any client, so this tool will help you make the thing easy for you. For example, recently you can see on my screen, so this is one of the design, right? So I want to change this girl picture, right? So how I will do this, right? So if I do this manually, it will be so complicated for me, because you have to remove the girl and then you have to put boy, so it's not an easy job, right? But here with this AI tool, it convert me the whole thing in a few seconds. Okay, so guys, the tool is ChatGPT, right? So you just need to search in your computer ChatGPT, right? So when you search it, you will see this, and you will need to log in your account here. Okay, so when you do this, so then you can just click here on this plus icon, and you can upload the picture, you can upload the PDF, you can upload anything which you want to upgrade. Okay, so guys, this is the picture. Okay, so I want to change this lady picture into a boy. Okay, so here you can see I have just put a very simple command here: convert the girl picture into boy. Don't change anything extra. Okay, very simple command, nothing difficult. Okay, now here you can see the result. You can see everything is very pretty good. Just a little bit misunderstanding here, and this heading. So you can just play with it, and even you can do this manually, with Photoshop, your Canva. So just remove this, and put another title here which are correct. But even if you want this AI help, you can just put another command here, and it will do for you. Okay, very simple, nothing difficult. And if I just go down, okay, now here you can see this is a picture. So now I want to change the color of this cloth and also change the background. Okay, so if I just go down, now here you can see I have put very simple command here: change cloth into white and also change the background. Okay, now here you can see the cloth in picture, the background has been changed. Okay, so basically I'm just giving you a small demo, so that you can see how it is beneficial and how it helped me in my journey, how it helped me to do work faster with my client. And the future, I will be sharing with a lot of videos regarding this, and I will be sharing with you the practical project which I did for recently for my clients, and how I do work in a very simple way, and how I do it fast. So sometime as a working as a digital marketer, so I lack some design of my other competitor. For example, if I'm working with a doctor, right? So if there's any other competitor and I lack their design, okay, so if I do it manually, I know it will take me a lot of time. Okay, but with this tool, I just put the other design which I want to copy. I want to copy their visual, I want to copy the way they look. For example, here you already saw the picture, guys. Okay, so I want to change the girl. Okay, only here, so I already just put a simple command in the girl has been changed. And also you cannot use another complete design in your post. So you will need to do some changes here. You can change the color, you can change from female to, if you see this lady picture, right? So you cannot use the whole design for your client, right? You will need to do some changes here. You will need to change the branding color, you will need to change the text color. The text color, yeah, you can do anything, guys. You can do, it's very simple. And even recently, guys, I have created a complete website for one of my clients by using this AI tool. So like you can just play and go. Okay, so it will do different design. If you are not tired, this AI will not be tired. So just say again and it will try, and it will try different for you. It helped me a lot, so that's why I was just trying to share this with you guys, so you can also take benefit from it and you can use it for, if you're working with any client. It doesn't matter, if you're working as a data entry, if you're working as a data extraction, you can use this tool and it will help you. Even if there's a data on any website, and you just want to copy, and convert it to an Excel sheet. So with this tool you can just copy the data and just put it here, and it will automatically convert for you. And I hope you have already saw my complete course, which I already uploaded here on this YouTube channel regarding data entry, right? So, and maybe you already saw that, there's a lot of different project. If I was able to do it manually, so it will take me a lot of time. But this, with this tool AI, this ChatGPT tool, it helped me a lot, and I convert those in a few seconds, in a few minutes, which is a simple prompt. Even sometime if my mobile is not charging, so I just ask ChatGPT why the mobile is not charging, so then it came, it tell me exactly why it's not charging, like what are the issue. And even, you can just play whenever you're free, and you can just try, and chat with AI, and it will help you and just guide you what you need to do. And there's a lot of things, guys, you can discuss with AI, and it will help you to guide you about and give you the right direction. But also you don't need to follow everything which the AI is telling you, but you can also use your own mind too, like you will need to use your own creativity. It's also important. It's not like, if I just like here you can see on my screen, I just tell this AI just to convert this girl picture into boy, right? So it convert me, but there was some mistake here. So you will need to figure out this, and you will need to improve it, right? So anyway, guys, I hope you like this video. In future I will be sharing with you more interesting video regarding this AI tool, and I will be sharing with you, practical project which I did, recently for clients, and I hope you will learn from my experience, and I hope it will help you too. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and see you later. Bye. Thank you.